guys, welcome to my channel. Make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Today I'm just showing you guys what I received in my May Boxycharm. So enjoy the unboxing, guys.
So time to open the box. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so this is the theme for the May box. It says Make Waves Boxycharm. So that's the theme of the box, and on the back, of course, they have all the products listed and what they retail for, and I'll make sure I read it out to you guys. I'm excited about this box. This is my birthday month, y'all. Excited. Okay, so it's Lustre Cream Eyeshadow by Ciate, London. So the color is Cupid. I haven't had a cream eyeshadow in years, y'all, so I'm excited about this. Oh my gosh, look at this color. This is beautiful. Ooh, I can't wait to swatch it. Y'all know I gotta swatch it, okay? So, yeah, look at that. It's like a purple holographic looking. Ooh, look at that. Can't wait to use this. This is beautiful. Okay, that retails for the Ciate London Lustre Cream Eyeshadow retails for $22. Oh, Dose of Colors Kiss of Fire Liquid Matte Lipstick. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to open this. Yay! So that's the color, Kiss of Fire. Let's open it. Yay! Y'all, I am so excited about this. I needed some more red liquid lipstick because I used a mess up out of my Dope Queens Cosmetics, which I need to order from her again, but okay. Oh, this is a cute little twist top. It's a cute little bottle too. I like this. Okay, how many ounces is this? Oh, and it says it's vegan too. Cool. Don't have the ounces, but let's swatch it. Yo, this is a pretty red. This is a beautiful red. Yes, I will be wearing this. It don't, oh, and it smells good, y'all. Yes, it don't smell like chemicals. Yes. Okay, Dose of Colors. I'm excited about that one. That retails for $18. Cool. Oh, cool. Glamglow Gentlebubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. So cute box. Look at this box, y'all. This is so cute. Okay, so that retails for $28. Let's open it, see how it looks. And the bottle is just like the box. This is so cute. So cute. So let's see what type of cleanser it is. So, of course I gotta rinse it off. So it's like a moisturizing cleanser, which is really good. This is the Mellow Brow Definer. Oh, another exciting item. Let's open this. What color? Chocolate. Yes. That's my favorite brow color. Hope it's not too light though. So that retails for $18. Let's open it. I'd be so excited about my boxes, guys. Okay. So this right here. There you go. So that's the pencil. And this side is the spoolie, of course. So, oh, did y'all see what happened? Did y'all just see what happened? I just broke it. No way. I just got the product and broke it. Y'all, please don't do this. I had to twist it up too far and swatched it and it broke. I still have some left. Yay. So they give you a lot of product. Excited about that. But oh my gosh. Well, always doing something with my products. Okay, so let me swatch it now. So this is the perfect chocolate color for me. So I will most definitely be using this. Love, love it. Alamar Cosmetics Blush Trio. That retails for $22. I'm excited about this. Haven't had a brush palette in a while. Let's open it. A little plastic thing right here. Pretty. Oh, they have their little logos carved in it. So cute. And that's the mirror. So pretty. So these are the colors. So Seclusion, Isla, Toasted. So those are the three colors. Pretty, pretty colors. Of course, I'm gonna swatch all three. So it's the first one, second, third. I'm gonna swatch it one at a time. So that's the first one. That's a beautiful blush color. So that's the second one. Wow, pretty. And that's the third one. Beautiful blush colors. Excited about that. So these are all of my products, guys. Of course, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Boxycharm, you never disappoint. And if you guys are not subscribed to them, I encourage you to subscribe, especially if you're off into makeup. Saves you tons of money. You get full size products for just $21 a month. I mean, you cannot beat that. Oh my gosh. And these are like really great brands that I absolutely love. Love my box each and every time I get it. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And thank you so much, guys, for your support. And happy Mother's Day to all my beautiful mothers out there. And stay tuned to the next video. Stay tuned for my birthday video that's coming up. You see my birthday makeup look. Be blessed. Bye.